Okay, so FN2 Civic in the house today, and it's currently on the dyno awaiting a map. This morning we have fitted Eibach lowering springs, Powerflex rear beam bushers and done the valve clearances because it was left here overnight. Richard is currently putting a Flash Pro back to stock so the customer can sell said Flash Pro, and he'll make quite a bit of money on that. And then obviously we're going to map with the superior Ecutek software on the stock ECU. So here we go. Okay, so stock run complete, and as a stock figure we've got 213 brake horsepower. So that's not bad. It's got the stock manifold and stock cat on still. It's got a Teguis 70mm and it's got this this induction kit. So whilst peak figures, I don't think we're going to get too much more out of it today, but we'll certainly get some in the mid-range. So let's go and see our Richard. Hello, our Richard.
Hi.
Is that all of your input so far?
I'm just about to put some lambda probes in it and get started.
All right. Okay, so red FN2, we see a lot of red FN2s. This gentleman stayed in a hotel overnight.
Yeah, they made this colour, didn't they?
No, they made more than the red one, but we do see a lot
of red ones, yeah.
This gentleman stayed in a hotel overnight because he wanted valve clearances done this morning, which Richard has done. He's also done Eibach lowering springs and Powerflex rear beam bushers.
I did, yeah.
Yeah, and then we took the Flash Pro that he already had and we set that back to standard so that he could sell that, because I reckon they're going to sell for about 450, 500 quid at the moment.
Yeah,
so they do well.
They're worth a good amount of money,
especially as you can't get any Honda stuff in the UK at the moment. Everyone's struggling with it, so he's definitely going to be able to sell that on. And then we've mapped it with Ecutek software today, so and we finished on 217 brake horsepower.
Yeah, I think that's okay. I mean, generally, if you've got stock cats in and stock manifold, which this has, you're looking around 215, aren't you, really? But the difference is with this car, it's got a good exhaust system on it. It's
got a
Teguis 70mm on. So that's made a little bit extra because obviously, you know, that's in there, that's a good system. It's got the HKS induction kit.
Well, it's a type of HKS induction. It's got a HKS sort of mushroom filter on the end of a silicon hose. So there's plenty to improve on, should he want to improve on it. But the switchable maps, obviously, launch control, flat foot shifted, all of that sort of goodness that you don't get on the Flash Pro. Because obviously this has got switchable maps. He's got all that, so it's going to be a driver enjoyability. Yeah, he's made about 20 brake horsepower in the mid-range.
Yeah.
So I think
we didn't really run it with the Flash Pro on, did we, today? So we didn't really know what that sort of made.
That was wasn't tuned. It was just flashed.
Flashed on a like a file sort of thing.
Yeah. Just one that he picked up.
Yeah.
So we didn't really want to run it on that.
No.
So yeah, I think it's done well. It's a great car. There's more to be had. I'm going to try and convince him to poke his nose in Uncle Keith's paint shop and have a look, because this red bonnet that I'm talking to you from is slightly stone chipped. So I'm hoping that we can get him in there. It's not a hard sale. It's just interesting.
Yeah.
So right, let's have a look at the graph. Let's have a look at the graph. Okay, so red line is as we started, blue line is as we finished. We made some power, about 20 brake horsepower at mid-range, dragging about 10 brake horsepower across the limiter, and we are extended the rev limiter out to 8.6 from 8.2 and lowered VTEC somewhat, and we finish on 217, which is 190 at the wheels. So yeah, happy days. So thanks for watching to the end of the video, guys. Like and subscribe and all that jazz, and we'll catch you on the next one. Peace out. Well, that's another one in the bag, and our Richard and Jensen are explaining to the customer how to use the switchable maps on the Ecutek software. Yeah, another one done. Really happy. It's going to rain, but hopefully has a safe journey home.
And I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast.